Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is my Ipsy Glam bag, the OG original Ipsy Glam bag for the month of September. I will hop some deets up while we're getting ready to open up the bag. I have gotten the Ipsy Glam bag, the original one, for over 10 years. Yes, 10 years. And I love it. I love subscription boxes. I like the surprise of getting subscription boxes. And I speak to this a lot with subscription services, that I feel like they're a great bang for your buck. If you are somebody that you like to just try, and test a ton of different brands, makeup, hair, skincare, maybe you're new to the beauty spectrum, maybe you have a young beauty in your life who's new to the beauty spectrum, or you're trying to build a collection. I think it's a really great way and an affordable way to start to do that. So we're gonna dive right in. We generally have informative card. Oh, the bag is cute. Kind of gaudy-ish, but it's cute-ish. Here is the zipper pull. And then it's got a beautiful kind of indigo-y purple on one side and then a very, very hot pink on the other side. And then the actual zipper itself is green. It's cool and it's funky and unique and colorful. Not necessarily my cup of tea, but it's cool. And it kind of actually is reminding me of my hair and my clothing today. Let me see if the card's in here. Okay, yes it is. We generally get an informational card that will run down everything. I'll go through that when we're done. And then this month's theme is More is More. Plush pigments, decadent formulas, skin that glows like it's gilded. This month, dial up the glam for moments that feel like beauty luxury. And then it gives us pertinent dates for the month as well. And we're gonna go ahead and dive in. First thing right on top is the Lower East Side, the Matte Face Primer. I'm going to assume this is a newer brand and or an indie brand that's kind of, you know, coming up into subscription boxes. That's kind of nice. That is another thing too. It's a really good way to like test out a ton of different brands. They have kind of cult classic brands. They have higher end and luxe brands in here, but then they also have indie brands. Next up is from Blink. This is a Eye Repair Peptide Complex. It says 90% improved moisturization and hydration and 83% improved firmness, dark circles, and skin tone. That is what that looks like. All right, next up, filling another squeezy tube. This is the Hey Honey Elements, the Wrinkle Smoothing Multi-Peptide Serum. I feel like we kind of just got one very similar to this. And my profile is that I want more skincare than makeup. I don't know necessarily that they really listen to us or how much a profile matters. I will say that when I feel like I'm kind of getting a lot of repeats, I go in and kind of switch up my profile a little bit and then the repeats kind of stop. So just noting that for y'all. Next up is another squeezy tube. This is the Korres, the Bounce Firming Moisturizer. It says 4D Bio Shape Lift, and Replenish. That sounds nice. And I like to have these like kind of travel minis and stuff like that because we do travel to go see our grown son and stuff. And it's easy for me to just throw these into a bag versus trying to take something that's full size. And then last but not least, in my Ipsy Glam bag for the month, is the e.l.f. Skin Bronzing Drops, Bronze and Nourish, Antioxidants and Sunflower Seed Oil in the shade Bronze 2. That sounds nice. I feel like, you know, obviously most brands have kind of a dupe of these types of products. You know, Drunk Elephant's got one. Different brands have kind of their different versions of these. I like to either mix this in with like a tinted moisturizer so that I have a very soft diffused kind of golden hue while getting a little bit of coverage, or I put it underneath in sporadic areas before applying my foundation. I don't often put these kind of on top of foundation. So we have our bronzing drops, our Korres products, we have our Hey Honey, we have our Lower East Side primer, and then our eye cream. So we will run down deets as well. All right, the Korres Black Pine Bounce Firming Moisturizer. This natural vegan moisturizer uses black pine extract to help firm, lift, and plump. Add in a smoothing dose of floral extract and you've got a full bounce back plan for your skin. This is of course a travel size. It says $29. That's crazy if that is $29 because normally it'll say travel size and then like full size is something. So I'll try to remember to look this up, or if y'all know, let me know. And it says tip, morning and night, massage a nickel-sized amount onto your face and your neck. Next up is the LES Beauty or Less Beauty matte face primer, which this girl does not need, okay? With glycerin. Well, glycerin helps with hydration, okay. With glycerin and panthenol to hydrate while it mattifies. This oil-free primer blurs the look of pores, helps control shine, and grips your makeup for up to 12 hours. The breathable, non-cakey formula keeps oily and combo skin looking velvety and fresh. No touch-ups required. Tip, give it 30 seconds to set, then apply your foundation for a flawless locked-in finish. This is actually a full size for $20. That's nice. All right, next up is our e.l.f. product. The e.l.f. Skin Bronzing Drops in Pure Gold. Warm up your complexion, add depth, and achieve a luminous bronzed look. No sun damage required. These customizable bronzing drops are infused with plant oils and antioxidant-rich vitamin E to hydrate while giving your skin that fresh from the beach glow. And then tip, customize your glow by mixing with your moisturizer or body cream and you're golden. Oh, so we can use this all over our body. That's nice. This is a full size for $12. I will note, I'm okay with e.l.f. being in my Ipsy Glam bag. I've paid $12 or $13 for it. I don't want to see e.l.f. products and a retail value this low in like my BoxyCharm or anything like that. Hopefully that makes sense to y'all. Like, do I prefer seeing this? No. It's still nice though, and I don't mind it. Next up is the Hey Honey Wrinkle Smoothing Multi-Peptide Serum, powered by 10% acetyl hexapeptide 8. Woo! This serum helps smooth, lift, and soften the look of wrinkles. With honey extract, niacinamide, and sodium hyaluronate in the mix, it also helps hydrate, soothe, and strengthen your skin barrier. And then tip, massage a few drops onto clean skin and wait 30 seconds before layering your next skincare step. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $29. And then last but not least, we had our Blink Eye Repair Peptide Complex. Packed with peptides, caffeine, and hyaluronic acid, this clean, vegan eye cream targets puffiness, dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles all at once. Late nights, early mornings, stress. Can we all relate to that, y'all? Your eyes go through a lot. Consider it your daily dose of I got 8 hours of sleep energy. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $38. I'm gonna note, I film like right in front of my mirror, and obviously my mirror, well, I got that too, in front of my window, and then of course I have the light. There's literally only this much in here. I don't believe, yeah, you guys are not gonna be able to see that. Like there, it's way down here. So that's a little disappointing. I at least want enough that I can test it for a good amount of time to kind of determine, you know, do I like these products enough to purchase the full size? And that's kind of part of the thing too that I like about Ipsy. You know, if I were to go buy this for, you know, full size for X amount of money and absolutely hate it, I'm out that money. Whereas with this, I'm paying roughly $3 for a product, so if I don't like it, it's just fine. That's it. I think I'm going to give it like a 4 out of 5 yellow hearts, not blowing my socks off, but there's some really cool products in here, and I like that they're kind of giving us a few things to like kind of gear us up for cold weather and stuff. So not horrible, that bag. I do, you know, to each their own. I don't like it, but I mean, it's cool and colorful and creative, just not something that I kind of personally like. I tend to kind of take things that I know that I'm not going to use and they go in my resale group over on Facebook or something like that. So even if I don't like something, it doesn't go to waste. But yeah, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. I would like to know what you got in your bag. Do you get Ipsy Glam bag? Do you get BoxyCharm? What are your favorite subscriptions? I'd like to know. I'm on the road to 10,000 subscribers this year, and I can only do that with your help. So if you do see this and you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. You can also hype the video. You can turn on post notifications so you never miss a video from me. And there's a link to join my channel memberships down below. You can join channel memberships to get exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.